Hello everyone, and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Jene. Tonight we have an unboxing, but this is not a diamond painting. This is a paint by number, and it comes to me by victoriasmoon.uk. Now, Elvina had reached out to me a while ago and asked if I would consider doing a review on one of their paint by numbers. Now, I haven't done a paint by numbers since I was 8. And the last time I did a paint by number, it was in a box. It was like one of those pressed board type cardboard thingies with, I don't know what type of canvas it was, but believe me, it just, and I know this is aging me, but it never turned out the way it should. This is going to be interesting because I have not done a paint by number since then. And I went ahead and agreed to do it. So I don't know exactly when I'm going to get to this. I will do my best to get to it as quickly as possible. Yeah. All right. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Now, I believe this only took about maybe 2 weeks to get to me, which I find is, you know, somewhat impressive considering it came from on the other side of the pond. But yeah, so it comes in a really nice box. It's a bit scrunched, but it's not too terrible. I've seen diamond painting boxes come in far worse than this. So yeah, really nice. Now it says here, paint by numbers. And anything else? It says, best wishes. Enjoy your beautiful life every day. Okay, that's nice. So let's take a look and see what we have in the box. So it looks like we've got some paint palettes here. Canvas. Come out. Oh, another paint palette. Is that it? Double check here. Yeah, the box is empty. Now, when I did paint by numbers when I was 8, we didn't get these. No. This is actually quite nice, and you got paint brushes here too. Now, I was prepared. I prepared myself for this. So I went out and bought one of these and some extra paint brushes. So I thought, I'm getting prepared. So let's take this off. Now, this is a nice canvas. This has just not been my day, guys. It just has not been my day. All right, got that off my finger now. All right, so let's take a look at this. Let's move these out of the way first. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. So this, I'm assuming, is their color chart, although I'm not sure. As I said, I haven't done a paint by numbers in years, and it never came in like this. So I'm just going to take all of this and roll it the other direction so I can get it to straighten out. It came with a foam core. They need to do that with their diamond paintings. Okay, so let's roll this way so we can get it to straighten out. Or, wait a minute here. My apologies everyone, I was really tired when I put this video together and I completely forgot to show you what this painting is going to look like once it's completed. So I'm going to be inserting a picture right here. Thank you so much, and again, I do apologize. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and roll this the opposite direction so that we can see what this looks like. Wow, this is really nice canvas. All right, so I'm just going to hold it here for about 30 seconds and then we're going to pull it out. This is so different from back in the day when I was doing this. Oh my gosh, so much different. Okay, here we go. That's nice. So I'm assuming that this is their, I don't know what this is, to be honest with you. It's just a mock-up to what this is here. So, and I can actually see the canvas information far better than I can on this. I don't know what this is for, to be honest. Okay, well, we're just going to put that off to the side, but here's the canvas, and most likely you guys can't see what's on here, but let me tell you, it is really nice. So I'm just going to bring this, I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to bring this up so that you can see it. Here you go. So hopefully you can see what I'm seeing there. So this is going to be really interesting. But I have to say, I'm really impressed with this canvas. Very impressed with it. Okay, so let's take a look at the colors. So as I said, it came with 2 palettes of colors. And then each palette comes with some paint brushes and looks like wall hangings. Yeah, wall hangings. Really nice colors. These are pretty. So it's all going to be, so there's going to be a lot of different shades of colors. You've got greens, mauves, purples, reds, yellow. These are going to be really, really nice. So here are the colors. Yeah, so again, this is from victoriamoons.uk. This canvas size, does it say? It doesn't give me the canvas size. So since it doesn't give me that, let's go ahead and measure this and see what size this is. So this is, oops. So this is a 69 by, this is a 69 by 49. So very, very nice. So everyone, again, this comes from victoriamoon.uk. This is a paint by number, And I'll have all the information down below in the description if you're interested in taking a look. So everyone, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it that thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, I'm totally okay with that. But if you could be so kind as to go down below in the comments and let me know what you didn't like about the video. That way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you do subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that's right next door. That bell will indicate when I've uploaded my next video. So by saying that, everyone, if this is morning for you, please have a very pleasant morning. If this is afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if this is evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene. Thank you for spending some time with me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, guys. Bye.